Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So, Power Maze, today we are diving into a brand new feature making a lot of waves in the Power Platform world. That feature is Describe Your Page in a model driven apps.
What is describe your page, on model driven app? Well, imagine you are building, a model driven application. And so you can quickly describe, what you need in natural language, the layout, components, the purpose, and without digging through development and complex formulas.
Yeah, exactly. Microsoft just made that even easier. With this feature, you can now describe in natural language, and uh, it is all about kind of what views are showing and even what filters and or the components and all the stuff. So it is more kind of a mini copilot right inside your app builder.
At the end of the day, it's like you have a team of agents working with you in order to build the page. Pretty much the same way when we show, a couple of video ago, like the plan designer, you have different agents that help you in the process. Okay, in this feature is kind of an agent helping you to build the page. So how it works is, imagine you are in the app designer on the model driven application. So you just need to describe the page for what you need, and boom, it's like they describe my page, or the agent give is going to give you ready to use AI generated model driven application page.
Yeah, and I feel that it's not just like that. You can tell what tables are involved, what views are showing, and even what filters or components you have.
Yeah, exactly. So let's head over to my machine, and let's check how it's work and see how easy it is to use, and all the steps that are involved in the process. Okay. Again, as usual, this is the home page for Power Apps. Let's check it here. Make.powerapp.com is the homepage for Power. As we always mention in every single video, you don't need to pay to play around with Power Platform, M365, or Fabric. Just create your own M365 developer account and you can start validating technology and see how it works for free. That's it. Let's create an application. So as I mentioned before, uh, this feature for describe your page is for model driven application. So let's create a blank model driven application. Create, start with a page design. Let's assume like blank page with navigation, just a blank page on Canvas, sorry, on model driven. Okay, so new model driven application, the like PowerMate, describe your page, create. I want you to show the process to create the model driven application, then how to create a single prompt, and see how the agent works behind, how the agent is going to be generating the code, React code. It seems magic first time you see it, but it's awesome. So here we are. This is like a blank model-driven application. So in other videos, we have been explaining how model-driven application works and all, but today let's focus on create a new page. And the point with that is, as you may or may not know, model-driven application is a little bit more tight in terms of how easy is to create pages with some kind of brand and design on behind. The comparison is with the Canvas app, that it's like a blank Canvas app. You can create your own application, make it look nice with effect and styles and all. Model driven application are a little bit more hard in terms of how you can design and change the things around. But yeah, and here is one of the key points with the describe page. you can ask and tell the Copilot or the agent to add a different effect and design and all. So that turns a little bit that speech that if you need something more custom, you need to use a canvas rather than a model ribbon. That is going to start changing a little bit that point. So let's click and add page here. Here we are. Describe your page. As you can see here, my PowerMate says preview. Okay. So this feature is still on preview. So if you want to try that, you need to do maybe one or two different. One is check on your tenant, activate preview features, and maybe you can start using. And if you're not seeing the describe your page preview feature, you can open the learn portal for model driven applications, and there is a form that you as a company you can request a private preview to validate the feature. Okay, so let's add a prompt here or a description or what I need on my page. I just write quickly here, also bad redacted, but it's what I want you to show. I need a page to manage trip and conference or the power mates. The page need to be able to drag and drop conference and trips between the different status and dates. Add two views, a canvas views and a different with the different state and a calendar view where I can move the items around the date and add sample items, event and trip, and also add sample. Okay, this is repeated, but doesn't matter. Add sample, event and trip. So let's see what happened here. The Asian thought, is the Asian that start understanding what you describe on your prompt or your description. Though, if not the description of the problem, is a description of the page. That's what the name of the feature is. Describe your page, and it also describe your solution that you can find on the Canvas application. So as you can see here, it's a start. Okay, let's wait. Start adding the step of what need to be done. So let's wait a second here. It's okay. In the meanwhile, it's going to start generating the code. For me, that piece is the magic. It's when you start seeing all the code behind generating, it's like, wow, that's magic, man. So let's wait. This is going to take couple of minutes maybe to generate, but I think it's worth to wait and see how the whole thing is going to be generated. So as you can see here, the the agent start generating thousands of lines of React native code here, taking what we described, taking what I said. I need a page to manage trip and conference. So of course, if you are a React developer, it's going to be great for you because also you can take that, open on Visual Studio Code, and maybe you can do some magic around to do some other stuff. But if not, it's just a comment to see how effectively the pages work in the back. Okay, so let's return to preview. And as you can see here, I say I need a page to manage trips and conference for the PowerMate. And also I ask for sample data. And also I said, need to be able to drag and drop conference and trips. So if I try to move that, okay, it's working. I can move trips and conference around, you know? So it's working. It's working with a simple. And if you're been doing or working with Canvas or with model-driven application, I know Gaston uh, has shown me a couple of times when was struggling trying to do some custom behavior. How easy is to create that right now? That before, like maybe I don't know, last year, super hard to try to doing something like that. Also, when I say I need two different view, two different view, a cam and a view and a different state and a calendar view. Also, if I click on calendar, this another view with the calendar view, and also I can go back and forth of the calendar, and also I suppose that I can move around. Yeah, of course, I can move around the um, the trips and the conference. So that's awesome. That's awesome. So let's add one more thing. Let's add one more thing. Uh, I don't know why I say please all the time to the Asian. I don't know. I try to be respectful, but I don't know. Okay, so please add um, edit button and pop up to edit trips and to edit a trip or a conference. So what I'm saying here is now if I click here, nothing happens. I would prefer to see kind of a edit button or a pop-up so you can change and edit the content of the trip. So let's click on that and see what happens. What the agent is doing is reviewing the current code. That means that probably because of my prompt or what I said, the agent need to edit the code to make the behavior I'm saying right now. Now click and edit and all. So let's see what happened. Again, as you can see here, is going to rebuild the code and start generating the code again. I'm going to repeat that many times. That's awesome. That's great. See how the agent is generating the code is. I don't know how many of you have been on the development side of things, but for me, like I can't remember how much time it takes to develop these kind of applications. I remember developing web part for SharePoint and also that's magic. That's magic again. So what do you think so far, Gaston?
Yeah, this is amazing, and I can picture all the examples that you bring to the table. A lot of Java developer codes,
Yeah.
.NET, building web part from scratch in C Sharp and Visual Studio, and bring a lot of memories. And now it feels like magic.
That was my first thought the day the I saw the demo. I remember, I don't know, a couple of or a month ago, we were on a conference in Seattle, and someone from the Power App product team showed this pretty much a demo that pretty similar to that one. I remember the reaction from the for the public, the audience, and was wow. So yeah, that's great. So let's wait a couple of more seconds here. That ends. The agent finally got everything in place. And as you can see, what I'd say was please add edit button and pop up to edit a trip of a conference. And also I wrote conference, but doesn't matter. So what should happen, I suppose, it's have click here, we have a pencil, we have the edit. And also if I click on the edit, okay, this is an error. Something wrong happened. But the point is like it's great because maybe I need to add again or write on different way the prompt, but it's exactly what I want. Click on edit and something happens and show me something. So this is just a starting point. This is just something that we want to show with you, PowerMate here on our channel. But I think that is going to be a super helpful starting point to build pages on model-driven application with behaviors and different views that previously wasn't easy to create. So that is the point here. So Gaston, what are your thoughts, bro?
This is such a kind of cool feature. And here's why we think that this describe your page is a really game changer. First of all, the faster app page creation that you just showed us. The second, no development skills need at all. You can have kind of better documentation around all of this, smarter to debug and find any kind of errors. And last but not least, the time to market. These features helps a lot on that end.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's awesome. Again, I'm super excited around this feature, and I think we are going to create a couple more of videos around that, seeing how it's possible. The art of the possible of the describe your page. So, PowerMate, if you're building a model driven application. So go try it out and let us know what you think. Stay powerful as usual. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.